And we got some new dumping, a whole bunch of stuff. A lot of that stuff was there before, but this stuff right here, these mattresses, that big old TV, all of this stuff right here by the edge of this driveway here, all this stuff is new, fresh dumped. It's crazy. We're right by Euclid Avenue, less than 200-300 feet from the main avenue, and they just dumping this stuff like crazy. All this stuff you're looking at right by the edge here is new. But what I wanted to show you was this pile of car parts. Look at all these bumper covers. Bumper covers, front clips, cars get crushed in the front end. If these are original equipment bumper covers on cars, there's a number on there and you can see it. Okay, there's barcode numbers on these bumper covers. There's a barcode right there. They can find out whose bumper cover that is. That's one. There's a barcode right there. They can find out whose bumper cover this is, what vehicle it came off of. Okay, all these bumper covers, see that barcode? That's a keystone part, so they're not going to know where that came from, but they might know who they sold it to. Here's another one. That barcode on there is a dealer barcode. They know exactly what car that bumper cover came off of. That sticker right there. All the city has to do is go and run that barcode, and it'll tell them exactly what car this came off of. There's another barcode that looks like aftermarket. This one has barcodes on it, but the stickers are wore off. Okay, this one is aftermarket. There is no barcode on it. These bumper covers, look how big this is. Okay, it's got a barcode on there. Here's another barcode. That's from the dealer. They know exactly what car that came off of. Okay, all they have to do is run that barcode, find out where that vehicle got fixed at, and I guarantee you, clearly, all of these came from the same place. Okay, here's another one with a barcode. See that barcode? That tells you. Another barcode, this one I showed you. All these barcodes tell you where those parts came from. It tells you exactly. Here's another one with a barcode. See that barcode? That'll tell you exactly where that bumper cover came from. Here's another barcode down in there if you could see it. Okay? It'll tell you right where these bumper covers came from. Okay? That's an aftermarket barcode. Okay, that barcode there is original factory barcode. That barcode over there, you see that barcode on that bumper cover? That's factory. It'll tell you where that car, what that car was, and where that bumper cover came from. Most likely, it got fixed by an insurance company, and they know what shop fixed it. Insurance companies keep all those records. All they got to do is come here and get these barcodes, find out what vehicles these came from, and bust these people. But no, they let it go. Barcodes, they let it go. Unbelievable. Anyway, I just want to show you this because look how big this pile of bumper covers is. This whole big pile. Whole big pile. That came off of a big truck. Wasn't no little bitty truck. So, East Cleveland, come get them, dude. Stop them from dumping this stuff. Thanks for watching Torpedo Heat TV, folks. And as usual, have a good day.